They are Stockholm-based. Flagship store is in London. They started with a cap to Oxford in 2016 as a Kickstarter campaign. They received twice the funding as necessary to start this company. During the pandemic, they expanded the brand with 2 sneakers and sandals. 2021, they introduced boots. They have over 140 styles right now, which is very interesting. They have sneakers, winter boots, contemporary, classic summer loafers. Majority are Goodyear welted. They introduced a new last for the loafers this past fall for a more proper fit to support the foot. And just so you know, these were sent to me today as a review to get my thoughts and opinions on them. They were not to sway my opinion either way, just to do an unboxing and sort out what we got here. So I went with the Grand Holt, and as you can see, it is a Chelsea boot, and I really do appreciate it. It's on the last number 15, so it's slightly wider in the instep. It has a soft chiseled toe, as you can clearly see right here. It's Goodyear welted. You can see that right there. It's Goodyear welted all the way around, and it's also made with premium full grain calf leather. Feel it in your hand. It's extremely supple, very nice. I really do enjoy getting my hands on this. It's quite comfortable, and I can feel it on my hand. I can only imagine on my foot. So there is that. It also has a leatherboard heel stiffener and cork filling inside, so that's another thing. There's also a studded rubber sole for all weather types, and I must say these are absolutely pure class. And with the last I mentioned earlier about the number 15, they stated that it is a slightly, and I do mean this slightly, wider. And I mentioned in previous videos that I have triple E feet, so I went up a half size than I normally would just to give it a shot. This is my unboxing of the Myrqvist Grand Holt Chelsea boots, and I have to say it's also single sole, it looks like here, so that's going to be more elegant, and I really do enjoy that as well because I plan on using this as an alternative to my cap to Oxfords when I wear suits. Thank you guys. Please follow me on Instagram. That'll be linked down in the description along with my Patreon channel if you'd like to fund me. And on top of that, I will leave the upper pumps for Myrqvist as a follow-on video to this one. Thank you guys very much and have a wonderful day.